Hi, I'm Charles.
Hi, I'm Ian.
And we love technology. Hi, Charles here. I'd like to tell you I got one of these cases at Goodwill for $9. And it is a Brookstone Bluetooth keyboard with portfolio case for iPad tablets. I had an old iPad mini laying around. I decided to put this to the test. Let's get started. Okay, so I got the case sitting right here. I have my iPad already installed in it. We'll open up, take a look. Okay, you notice when it folds it up, this iPad flips out kind of like a kickstand, holds it up. Now, before we do anything, I'm going to power up the Bluetooth keyboard like so. And we push the button on the iPad, the home button, usually. If not, you got to power it up, but go into settings. Now then go into Bluetooth. Okay, see? Bluetooth wireless keyboard. I've already paired it earlier to make sure that this would work. Okay, now let's go into an application such as Chrome. Let's try typing. Hello world. Voila. So yeah, this Bluetooth keyboard works. Now, to say the least, I really like this keyboard. However, there's some problems. Sometimes the iPad loses connection to it, loses pairing. And I don't know if that's a software glitch or a glitch with the keyboard. Maybe the keyboard's battery just dies. But here's a quite peculiar feature. Turn the keyboard back on. Now there's a key labeled F4 with also an image of a keyboard on it. Now if you hit that, it causes another keyboard to pop up. Now I don't know why they would put this feature on a keyboard. And there's some other keys too, like to turn the volume up and volume down, real handy. This is for media keys, fast forward, reverse, play, brightness. I mean, a lot of advanced stuff we've got down here. I don't know if you can see it, but the Mac command key. Now, I mean, I'm not too much of a fan of Apple myself, but I mean, it's good to have multiple platforms. That's all. Thanks for watching.